In this video, I will show you how to use break and continue keyword inside the loops. So first to open the editor, create a new source file, include the required library files. So that is a standard library file we required for all programs, that is stdio.h. Then begin the main function now. So I want to iterate my loop for number of times, beginning from 1 to up to the given number of times. Given number of times means I want to read a number from the user that is named as n, and I want to iterate my loop using a control variable that I named it as I. So I want to collect only one input value from the user, that is a number. So I will provide a message to the end user, enter a number. In the next line, the given input value is going to be assigned using the scanf function, that is percentile d, because it is integer, and using ampersand sign and. As per the syntax of the loops, so why we need loops? If you want to repeatedly execute the same set of instructions some number of times or n number of times, we'll choose loops, and for is one of the loop. According to the for loop syntax, it is expected one step, that is called initialization step, is required, and condition, how many times we want to iterate the loop, and each iteration how the control variable will change. So these three things are expected from the for loop: initialization, condition, iteration. Until the condition becomes false, the loop will continuously execute. The loop starts its journey from I is equals to 1 up to I less than or equals to 1. Each time the loop control variable is incremented by 1. Now here, if I is equals to 5, when I is equals to 5, just I am applying break keyword. When I is equals to 5, I am applying a break keyword. So based on that, I want to print the elements. So print percentile d. I want to print the I value. You can see this one. So save this program. It's a demo about the break keyword. Now, try to compile the program first for checking the syntax errors. No errors. So 0 errors are there. So we can directly run the program. Suppose if I enter 10, what will happen? Just you observe. 1, 2, 3, 4 are printed. Actually, I did not maintain the spaces here. I can maintain the spaces, like suppose if I want to maintain the 4 character space between one digit to the next digit, I can keep 4, compile. Now run the program. Suppose if I enter 10, so the output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Why it won't print 5, 6, 7, 8, 10? Why? Because we given a condition that whenever I value is equals to 5, immediately apply the break. Break means immediately it will stop the loop execution and it will come out of the loop. So that is the reason it starts from 1 printed, 2 printed, 3 printed, 4. But when comes for 5, when I value becomes 5, then this condition matches, this condition becomes true, then the inside part of the if block will be executed. So break is executed. As the break is executed, it will come out of the loop. It won't continue the loop for the remaining iterations. What are the remaining iterations? Because our input value is 10, we have to run the loop for I is equals to 6, I is equals to 7, I is equals to 8, 9, 10. But it won't check the remaining iteration. Why? Because we forcefully given a condition that whenever I value matches with 5, apply the break. So in this way we can. Suppose this is suppose if I want to display the all output variables in a new line, we have to give new line like this also. Once we made any changes, immediately save, recompile, and run the program. So for example, this time if I given like this, you can check it. So the loop variables are 1, 2, 3, 4. It like this. If you want to print horizontally, we have to give some number, how many characters width you want to print them, then you can remove this new line. So both are acceptable. That is based on our choice. Are you going to print the elements vertically, or are you going to print the elements horizontally. That is our choice, like this. So the space between one digit to the next digit, 4 characters. That is the meaning of 4D. So use of for this. Suppose in the same program, so for example, I will copy this entire for loop one more time and I will run this one. But this time I will give you the keyword as continue. This one I will give you the keyword as continue. Before printing the break keyword output, just I will keep a statement break keyword. Similarly, before using the continue keyword, I am displaying a message like continue keyword. Just I save this, compile, run the program. Now if I entered a 10, what happened? Yeah, all the output lines are displayed in the single. Just I will separate them by applying the new line. This here I will apply new line, and here also I will apply new line. Compile, rerun the program. Suppose I've entered. So break keyword, what is the output of break keyword? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the output of continue keyword? The continue keyword output is 1, 2, 3, 4. It skips a 5. If you observe, 5 was not printed here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are printed. So if you want to get the output some more clearer, I can apply new line. That is better. Compile and run the program. Now we can observe. See, after applying the break keyword, I kept the condition if I is equals to 5, stop the process. Give a break for the loop. So that is the reason it prints up to 4 only. It won't print 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But coming to the continue keyword, whenever I is equals to 5, continue means it won't execute that iteration. It skips that iteration. Remaining iterations before that number and after that number, remaining iterations will work. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are printed and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are printed, but 5 is eliminated. That is 5 is ignored. That is here. It's like if I is equals to 5, this is the execution period like this one. So continue and all this one. Break and continue. So in this way, we can use break and continue. These two are called as control keywords. Why these are named as control keywords? It controls the loop execution flow of the program. The execution flow of the loop will be terminated or ended with the help of break. The loop, a particular iteration can be skipped with the help of continue. So in this way, we can use break and continue keywords.